I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have been sewing and making items for Happy Mail going out, and I have been receiving Happy Mail. This one is from Wednesday and Gilly together, and we will leave a link to her channel in our description, but let's open this. Isn't this pretty? I love pink and purple and magenta and fuchsia and lilac. Oh, I love it. Oh, there is a lot in here. Disney parks. Oh, wow. Oh. And of course, it wouldn't be a Happy Mail without a Briar's horse. Ah, and it's a stablemate. Some of you know what a stablemate is. Here's a card. Happy Mail for Dolls Rescued. This is so fun. Oh, Disney parks. Oh, wait till you see this. This is so cool. It's one of those, I'm not sure I say these right. Numayos? How do you say that? I've heard people say it and I can't. Oh, it smells so good too. How cute is this? I have seen people, mostly unicorn rainbows toys and dolls, doing DIY crafts and outfits for these. These are so cute. This is just adorable. I love it. Who doesn't love Minnie Mouse? I do. Okay, let me open the card. I got ahead of myself. I get excited. All right. Wednesday is a horse friend of mine. I've met her on YouTube through Dolls. She has live horses, as I do. So we have kind of a special bond there. Dear Marna, here's a little Happy Mail from Florida. I thought Minnie Mouse would make a great addition to your doll collection. She's posable, her hands have magnets, so you can unclasp them to dress her. I'm sending along a cute outfit, so you can change her if you like. Then it's signed Wednesday and Gilly together. I have no idea how to pronounce this. Now, I know I've heard it said 100 times, and I'm sorry, I just don't have it. I can't either. Okay, I have to open the stablemate. Stablemate is a size of, I'm going to save this, a size of Briar's horses that is smaller than the average or typical Briar horse. Appaloosa sports horse. Oh, I love these. I have the older stablemate Briar's horse. I used to make little saddles with suede and leather, and I'd use embroidery thread to make their halters and bridles, and I'd make saddle blankets. I used to do a lot with Briar's horses. Darren actually started a, what is that stuff called? That tenor stuff.
Armor?
No. What is the?
Just
aluminum
pieces.
flashing, right?
Yeah.
Started an actual 1500s, or I guess just any time back then, armor for horses. It is beautiful. Oh, and it has a little bag. Check this out. Oh, that is so cute. I am going to have to go back and watch those DIYs because you know I'm going to have to make something for my little Minnie. How cute is that? Yeah, that's really a nice magnet. That is adorable. Thank you so much. The Briar's horse is just a special touch. Go visit Wednesday's channel. She's a new channel. She's a fun channel. She has a stuffed monster toy. I don't know what to call him. He's Gilly. That's who Gilly is. Gilly has been to the stable and Disney World or Land, whichever it is that she goes to.
World.
Is it World? Okay. and does all sorts of things. She also has Blythe dolls. I think she has 4 now, and 3 are custom. They are absolutely beautiful. Stop by her channel and take a look. She's a fun person and a nice channel. Thank you so much. Thank you all for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I am working on getting more happy mail out. Could you be one of the people I'll be sending it to? Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.